Here I have ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this. And that's how you can take screenshots. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down. And that's how the screenshot is taken. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the photos application. And here they are. All of your photos. You can find screenshots in the screenshots folder, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.